Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting the Bongo cat asset and confirming it renders in a browser locally, because OBS will capture that HTML scene. Once done, make sure OBS 27 or newer and the browser source plugin are installed. They must match your system's architecture for stability. You also need audio routing ready. Set up a virtual audio cable or plan to capture desktop audio in OBS. These preparations remove common permission and capture issues before adding sources. You now add the Bongo cat to a dedicated OBS scene to keep things modular. Create a new scene, choose browser source, and point it to the local HTML file or hosted URL. This ensures exact visuals. Then set the width, height, and FPS to match your stream output, for example 1920x 1080 at 60 FPS, so animations stay smooth. Next, add an audio output capture, and select the virtual cable or desktop audio so key hits and bops are heard on stream. You finish by arranging and locking the overlay, scaling or cropping via transform, and applying chroma key if you need transparency. Then test AV sync. Play triggers while monitoring stream output. If audio lags, tweak buffer size or sample rate under OBS audio settings and your virtual cable driver. If the browser source shows blank, enable the local file option, check file paths, and confirm CORS or antivirus isn't blocking the page. These steps resolve most final issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.